Want more control over low power mode on your iPhone? Here's how you can manage or customize it easily. Go to Settings and tap on Battery. You will see the low power mode toggle right at the top. This helps extend your battery life by limiting background activity and system animations. You can turn it on manually here whenever you need it. But if you want to automate it, like having it turn on at a specific battery percentage, here's how. For that, open the Shortcuts app and go to Automation tab. Then tap on the plus icon. Here, scroll down and tap on Battery Level. Now, set the percentage where you want low power mode to kick in, like 30 or 40 percentage. Then tap on Next. Then go to Get Started and tap on Set Low Power Mode. And finally, tap on Done. And that's all. Now your iPhone will manage low power mode exactly how you want it. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.